In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications silenced. If your Windows PC has suddenly stopped showing pop-up alerts and you see a message indicating notifications are silenced, it usually means focus or do not disturb is turned on. This mode is great when you need quiet time, but if you're missing important emails, chat messages, or calendar reminders, you'll want to switch it off quickly. The good news is there's a fast, built-in way to do it in just a couple of clicks. First, open Quick Settings. The fastest way is to press Windows plus A on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut opens a small control panel from the taskbar with common toggles like Wi-Fi, volume, and brightness. In this panel, look for the notification controls. Depending on your version of Windows, you'll see either a button labeled Do Not Disturb or a bell icon with a small ZZ on it. Both of these control the same setting responsible for silencing alerts. Now turn off Focus or Do Not Disturb. If you see the Do Not Disturb button, click it once to toggle it off. If you see the bell with the ZZ, click that icon instead. When this mode is off, the icon typically looks unhighlighted or the ZZ indicator disappears, and the Do Not Disturb label should no longer show as active. You don't need to change anything else. The switch takes effect immediately. Once it's off, your toast notifications and sounds will resume right away. New messages, reminders, and app alerts will start appearing again in the corner of your screen, just like before. There's no need to restart, and this won't remove any existing notifications from the center. It simply allows new ones to come through. If you want a quick mental checklist, Windows plus A opens Quick Settings, then click Do Not Disturb or the bell icon to turn it off. That's it. You can repeat the same steps anytime you want peace and quiet again. Open Quick Settings and turn the toggle back on. It's a simple, fast way to control your alert flow without digging through deeper menus. To wrap up, when you see notifications silenced, remember it's almost always Focus or Do Not Disturb doing its job a little too well. Open Quick Settings with Windows plus A, then click Do Not Disturb or the bell with the ZZ to turn it off, and your alerts will be back in action.